Elizabeth, Joe, and the kids have left. So the bunkie is up. They'll be taking measurements for the roof tomorrow. They're coming in the morning, so I'm staying overnight. They're expected to be here 9:30. So I'm assuming they'll be about an hour. And I plan to be there before noon. We are just loving the bunkie and how it came out. It's the perfect placement for it. It's just, yeah. So we did get it up in a day and a half. It seems that in total it would have taken 2 days. So they say you can put it up in a weekend aside from the platform, the foundation. So we don't have it finished inside yet because the flooring, that is, because we want to insulate it. We also want to use a solar panel to power it. So we have to decide where we're going to put that. Yeah, Joe was saying to put it on the outside of the bunkie. So we're going to have to talk further about that. But super happy with it. Just love how it just sits there just perfectly. It's like it always belonged there. Mind you, the previous owners did have one there as well. Hopefully next year we'll get the deck around it. That will provide a lot of space, and it's a really nice area to just sit at. So really excited about that. And it's absolutely phenomenal not to see a package there, which we've had sitting there, I guess, for 2 years now. So yeah, it's pretty much that plywood by the tree is going to go on that pile next to the table that's going to be used to finish off the around the crawl space downstairs. So we'll be working on that throughout the summer. But so glad that the bunkie is up. It'll be fine for the next year. What we have to focus on now is the deck. So after we get the walls there replaced, as well as the stairs done by the entrance. Oh my God, okay, so I think I know what happened, so sorry. See, that's me when I'm here alone. And on top of that, so I know what happened was the panel that I had supporting a piece of plywood down below in the crawl space. So we had more evidence of a moose. There were some footprints there over the septic system. So I don't know if we missed that yesterday or whether it was done over the week. Yeah, we didn't have rain all week, so the footprints or hoof prints that we noticed yesterday could very well have been at any time during the week, but they looked pretty fresh. So we're just going to keep an eye on things because it's really freaked me out. It's one thing when you just know that they were here over the winter, but when you actually see signs of it, it's a little disturbing for me. So at least we determined that they can't climb stairs, or at least we think we can't. I'm going to do a little bit more research because I'm really spooked by it. You know, and to top it off, my knee has really been acting up. So if anything was to happen, I would probably just be wobbling along towards the stairs. So anyway, it's a nice evening, sunset. I'm gonna go in and have a coffee, put my feet up, rest my legs and my feet and my knee. It's been a really busy weekend. And given that I haven't really done anything to condition my body beforehand, it's a lot. When spring sets in and you end up doing a whole weekend full of just heavy labor, it's a lot. So the kids really enjoyed the playhouse today. Elizabeth and I are probably going to come up during the week to caulk inside and spray wash it. I'm going to lay down the floor so that the kids can then move their little toys and playthings in there. I'm also going to finish the trim around the trellis. And now that I know how the nailer that I have works, and put the railing up so we don't have any mishaps. So far so good, but they're kids. So really exciting. Very busy weekend, so much accomplished. That pile there, I'm looking forward to when it's no longer there. Those blocks over there I'm going to use to start doing the wall over here. I'm probably going to do that when there's no one here. Those stones all have to be reset. They've all shifted. It's extremely frustrating. I can't even begin to tell you. Yeah. So we're going to do that, and I'd like to get that garden up and finished this year, just to get a little bit of orderly stuff here. The deck, when we get to it, it's going to be this year because we need the deck. We really miss it. And it's a great lookout for the kids. When we're busy doing something, they like to go there and just sit and watch the fish and the water. The water's a little turbulent right now as there's a storm on the way in. But that deck is unstable and it's moved forward some more. The individuals who are going to fix the wall, they indicated that they're going to need to move it, which I'm quite okay with that. Just say move it over, we'll cut it up and leave that open for our deck. So yeah, things are beginning to move. I hope that we can get that done this year. That's our project for this year, is the deck and that flower bed there, and just finishing off inside the bunkie now. There's a lot of painting to be done, but I figure in 3-4 days it'll get done, both inside and outside. I think I want to prioritize the outside just to make sure it's sealed properly. But super excited. Yeah, so that should all be gone, that mess, I figure in a couple of months. But then again, my timelines are all off, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it'll be gone in 2 months.